Hey guys, what's up? Well, hey, I'm putting together a new bike. I got this sweet new kind of touring gravel road bike to put together. I had one little problem though. I've never actually dealt with this. This is a bearing, a bottom bracket bearing that is pressed in. And I thought I was going to have a problem, and then I found my bearing press tool. I forgot I had this. This is the Park Tool BP001. And I think it's going to be pretty easy to install. So it looks like you just set the bearing in, and you're going to have your Park Tool BP002 bearing press tool to go along with this. And you want to be, careful that you get everything set correctly, and then you just start the pressing procedure. Yeah, okay, it appears like I've completed the first step of the bearing press procedure. Now it's time to move on to step 2. The box also came with this crazy little thing. I don't know what this thing is. There you guys go. The bearing is totally nice and smooth and straight. No damage to the frame. And I'm ready to move on to the next step of my installation.